I just want to start the morning off with just a little positive. Good morning, good morning. Go ahead and pour in that positive. Go ahead and know that you are enough. You enough, sweetheart. Yeah, you that's going to click this post. You are enough. You deserve better. You can do better. I believe in you. You are enough. You are enough. You are enough. I believe in you because you are enough. And once again, good morning. Let's pour in some positive. We don't want to be bothered with it. If it ain't positive, we don't want nothing to do with it. Go ahead and take that negative somewhere. We got nothing but positive over here. If it ain't positive, go ahead and move back. Like that song say, shoot fly, don't bother me. Shoot fly, don't bother me. Shoot fly, don't bother me. I don't have time for your negative. Good morning, good morning. Let's pour in some positive. Start telling God what you need, not what you want. Start believing in yourself. Know that you are enough. Know that I believe in you. Know that you are phenomenal. And listen, it's okay to not be okay at times. Because God sit high and he look low. Give it to God. Have a beautiful day. And let's pour in some positive.